some little. This one need a little bit pressure, and then I give it really gentle. All right, no problem. We're gonna get that and pick it up using the tweezers. Hey, I am still on the camera.
Yes.
All right, it looks good. And now we're gonna put the top coat on. No wet top coat. And floating it on the top of the condensed glue gels and also on the top of the chain. We're gonna go back with the precision glue gels as well, but we want to make sure that it get the coat of a top coat on the top. Okay. That's the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wet top coat. When you're using the crystal trifecta, it will not dry until you are going to be happy with your design. Good. I'm gonna just add one smaller. This the Poinsettia is one of really cute and an easy way to do, especially is getting even easier and better with the 40 gels. Cool. All right, so you want to add something on, more than welcome. Add some crystal on. If you don't want anything else, you can let it slide here for 60 seconds. I'm gonna add like one more green crystal right here, smaller one. That's it. Okay, ready?